Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. POCO recently launched the POCO X3 NFC and it's a surprising phone considering its price, around $200. Remember the POCO from 2018 when they launched their POCO phone F1, which was a flagship spec'd up phone but with a mid-range price. This year POCO claims that the X3 NFC is exactly the phone you need, and it has some really good gaming specs as well. But before we move on to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and make sure you hit that bell button so you are not gonna miss any future videos. Here we have the phone. It has some interesting design choices, but we can agree it looks okay. My favorite part is the symmetrical camera system. We have the big POCO logo on the curved back panel and the side-mounted fingerprint reader. The display is a 6.67-inch LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it has a small punch-out hole for the selfie camera. For the processor, this time we don't have the greatest from Snapdragon as we had on the POCO phone F1, but we still have a good processor, the Snapdragon 730G, with 6GB of RAM along with 64 or 128GB of internal storage. For the gaming experience, we have a liquid cooling system with dual stereo speakers, a good vibrator and 240Hz touch sampling rate. As for the cameras, we have a quad camera setup, a 64MP AI main camera, a 30MP ultra-wide camera, and two cameras which are not really good for use, a 2MP macro camera and a 2MP depth camera. I mean, the depth camera may help with the bokeh effect, but we see sometimes where the depth camera didn't do anything at all. We can record just up to 4K 30 frames per second, and we have slow motion up to 960 frames per second with HD resolution. For the selfie camera, we have a 20MP lens capable of recording 1080p up to 30 frames per second. And keeping in mind that this phone is really good for gaming, we got a big battery, 5160 mAh with 33W super fast charger. This is really nice to see, a good battery on an affordable smartphone and a really fast charging. It still has its flaws. It has a plastic back, it doesn't have a too bright display, just 450 nits, but for the price is a best deal, maybe. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you are subscribed so you're not gonna miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye!